What's up, everybody? And welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining me for another tutorial. So, with the holidays approaching very soon, 5 days away, I figured that we should do an easy holiday glam, very detailed tutorial. Just a really simple look when you just, go sit in someone's living room or go to a Christmas, New Year's Eve parties, just glam it up just a little bit. So we got a little bit of glitter, we got a little bit of shine, little matte colors, just, a little bit of something. Very neutral though. I want to keep it very nude-ish. My brown shades, because I love those shades. So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so I have completed my brows off camera for my brows and for like what I've been using for a very long time. This is the Revlon Color Stay eyebrow pencil in the shade, I believe, dark brown. I love this pencil. It's very creamy. It does just what it needs to do. I haven't really been doing a lot to my brows. I arched them a little bit just to shape them up, but other than that, they're thick already, so I don't have to fill them in as much because this pencil is creamy and pigmented as ever. And it's very affordable, and we all love cheap stuff over here, okay? So, to start off with the eyes, new product alert. This is the eye primer from Juvia's Place in the shade number 2. I have never used the eye primer before, so I don't know what the consistency of it is. I haven't used this. This is my first time opening it, so we're gonna see what it does. Usually, I just use concealer when I do my eyeshadow looks. So this is something new, and I'm really excited to use it. So for today's palette, I am using, not my brushes now, but I'm using a new palette. I've used it on my Instagram page, but I have not used it on YouTube. So this is the In the Buff palette by Beats by Dale. Have I used this on YouTube? No, I haven't. So yeah, this is the Beats by Dale palette, In the Buff palette. This is the more brown shades, the neutral shades. I would have got the colorful one, but I'm not a colorful person. I need to be, but we'll get there, okay, in due time. So this is the palette here. Don't mind that. I broke it the first time I got it. It was very sad. This is her palette right here. I'm not quite sure which shades I'm gonna use. By the way, look at that mirror. I love palettes that have mirrors because it's just convenient, okay? So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I do know where I want to stay at. This is something easy, something simple, not too hard, something easy to just throw on, put you on some lashes. If you want to put foundation on, go ahead. By the way, skin is looking real good on camera, so hey, I've been working on it. But yeah, keeping it very simple, okay? I might add a little glitter, but that's if you want to. But this is an easy holiday glam, and that's what we're gonna do. Keep it easy. This shade right here. So it has a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't think it's gonna pop up too much in my eyes, on my eye though. So I'm gonna go in with a very fluffy brush, this one right here. I got this brush from Five Below. Five Below has some of the best brushes that you can get and some really cute makeup holders, such as this one. And it's $5, why not? I'll tell y'all, you wanna get some makeup supplies, go to these little dollar stores and get you some stuff. It's not always about how much it costs, It does have great quality though. So going in with melanin, I'm dipping into that. Of course this palette is pigmented. I mean, it's Deb, why not, I think that says Nutty, this shade right here, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges of the melanin shade that I placed on my eyes, just to give it a little bit of airbrush effect right here on the edges. using a flat brush like so. This also came from the Crayon case. I don't have my glasses on, so I don't know what number it is on it, sorry. So, I want a little shine right there. Right there. I don't want to go too extreme, though. So, I'm going to use this shade right here. Right there on my lid. And I think I'm going to go in with this white shimmer shade right here as well in the inner corner of my eye. So, let me get that shade. I don't know the name of the shade because I don't have my glasses on and I am blind. Sorry. So I'm just going to place that right there on the lid. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can use your finger if you wanted to. It ain't got to be perfect. It's okay. This is simple, remember? Just simple. So you get that flat brush and you put that glitter, that shimmering eyeshadow, you put it everywhere. It doesn't have to be perfect. You want to put it up here? You go ahead, girl. You go ahead. This is something easy. This is beginner friendly. You ain't got to do all that. This is simple, okay? So don't you stress yourself out on these holidays. You're beautiful either way. I like shimmer. Yes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I'll be right back to finish up the eyes. I want to add some glitter, a little bit. I gotta go find it first, but I'll be right back, okay? Alrighty then, so I finished the other eye off camera. So now, just to give y'all a little bit of pizzazz that I was talking about, I am gonna go in with this white shade Back to the Beats in the Buff palette. It is called Pure. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes. Like so. Flutter Cosmetics. I think it was discontinued because I don't see it anymore. Probably see it fluttering in the camera, but I don't see this anymore on their website. So I think it's been discontinued. Sad to hear that. So what I'm gonna do is get some of this. Now, I've learned Pigment is very messy. Also, you don't have to do this. It's just something a little bit extra. If you want to keep it simple, you don't even have to put the white eyeshadow in the corner of your eyes. It's just open it up just a little bit. But if you want to keep it simple, you do not have to do this step. I'm just doing this to give it a little bit of more, you know. So I'm using that same brush, and I am going to also put that in the inner corner of, oh Lord, inner corner of my eye. Pigment. Ooh, it's so messy. It's so messy. Hold on a second. I gotta close it back carefully. Glitter itself is messy. So it's stuck straight to the brush. So I didn't have to use any type of glitter primer or eyelash glue. So I'm gonna put that right in the corner, inner corner of my eye, and bring it a little bit on my eyelid. Okay. Probably can't see it, but it gave it just a little bit. Just a little bit of what I needed. I didn't need a lot. I ain't need a lot. So I'm gonna go back in and do the same thing on my left eye. Just closing this back. I got a notification, sorry. Bam. Can you see it? Oh, you can see it. Oh, it's cute. It's really cute. It gave just a little bit. Flutter. Here's how they look. There you go. I am going to apply lashes off camera because I struggle with them. But I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back and we're going to move forward with the face. So starting for today is the foundation. I am using Beauty Bakerie's Instabake Aqua Glass Foundation in the shade 315W. I am going to put that right here on my plate, and then I'm gonna apply it on with a brush or a little concealer brush, and then I'm blend it out. Three different times. My camera keeps going this way, so we're looking a little crooked. Let's turn. That's a little bit so that's how ghetto I am right now. Don't worry, I'm gonna get me another ring light because this one has had it. I have duct taped it to the gods, okay? But anyway, to concealer, I am going to use 3 different ones today. I want to use one to correct under my eyes because I don't know if you see it. I have a little bit of bag right there. That's because I stay up to 2 o'clock in the morning. Yes. And I'm on a little break right now. I quit my other job and because I'm starting a new job, but I won't be starting that job possibly until next week. Yeah, it just makes sense to start at the beginning of the week to get training. So I probably won't be starting until next Monday. So that has given me 10 days worth of a break. So I have been staying up, shawty. I've been up, watching TV, catching up on shows. And I even decided, you know, while I'm home, let's get some videos out, you know? So I need a little concealer under my eyes because I'm looking a little tired. Alrighty. Then we're gonna go to the bridge of the nose. Cupid's bow. My concealer using a Beauty Bakerie setting flower in the shade Oat, which is their translucent powder. As you can see, it is white. I love this powder because it melts just like butter. Up my skin using the Juvia Space Bronze Bronzer, and this is in the shade Tan. I should have got dark, but I suck at ordering shades offline. I can't do it. I just can't do it. If it ain't in the store, I'm basically not getting it. So yeah, I definitely should have got dark. This is okay, but I just need a little bit more. So I just tap into both of those colors, more into the dark color right here. An ant farm on Disney Plus. I am a child at heart and I'm very big on nostalgia. So anything that I looked at, I don't know, 10 plus years ago, it brings back that joy that I had as a kid when I'm watching it on Disney Plus. Just like last night or yesterday afternoon, I was watching Mulan. Mulan is my favorite Disney movie ever. She is so, she broke the boundaries of what a woman should and should not do. And I didn't realize that as a child. I didn't realize that. You know, Disney teaches lessons to adults and children. And being an adult now, I'm realizing what that lesson was for Mulan and why I love her so much. Cause she broke some boundaries. She said, you know, my dad is sick. So as the woman of the house, because he didn't have any sons, so as his child, I'm gonna do what I can to protect my family, to make sure that my dad, you know, doesn't lose his life, you know? And I can't believe women are actually like treated like that. It brings more light to your mind because you don't think about this stuff as a kid. You think about this stuff, you just see, oh, I like her because she's fighting. Oh, she got a sword? Let me go get my sword, you know? Let me learn how to fight and stuff. That's what I was looking at as a little girl. But as a grown woman, I'm seeing the lessons. You really got to pay attention though to some of the stuff in the movies, what they're saying too. Because I think back then, probably wasn't as controversial as it would be now. So, yeah. Mulan is all-time favorite movie. Mulan 2 is a good movie too. Usually when they make sequels of the original movies, like Cinderella 2 and 3, and I may be wrong, and you may not like me after this, but I've never watched Cinderella. I know the story, but I've never watched Cinderella. That's crazy. You know what else I've never watched? Snow White. I know the stories, but I've never watched the movies. I might watch them today. I might, during my whole 10-day break, do a Disney Princess. Because you know they got a collection on Disney Plus. Do a whole Disney Princess movie-a-thon. Yep. Use this shade right here, which is the same shade I have on my lids. I'm just gonna dip into that. Say cheese or no, just smile and glisten up those cheeks. I hope y'all enjoyed today's tutorial. I had fun talking to y'all. Very comfortable. I feel very good about this video. I feel very good about my face. I hope y'all enjoy your holidays. Be safe, you know. Be safe. Things happen, and just enjoy yourself, but also be careful while doing it. Love up on your family. Spend time with them. Family is a very important thing, especially nowadays. I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button. Go check me out on my other social media platforms, websites, whatever you want to call it. And that's that. I hope y'all do this tutorial. If you do, let me know. Leave a comment down below about any suggestions, about any ideas of upcoming videos, which I want me to do, and I'll put that content out there for y'all. But anyway, I thank y'all for watching. I love y'all, and I appreciate you for all of your support. Have a very, very, very great holiday, and just live it up and enjoy yourself. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.